This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are using fermented soybean curd or fu yu to roast a Chinese style chicken. Let's start by preparing the marinade. Fermented soybean curd comes in two colors, the white and creamy color ones and the red color ones. This red color fermented soybean curd is the same one we use to make char siu. Put the two fermented soybean curds into a bowl. Grate 1 teaspoon of ginger into it. Now add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. Mix the marinade well and try to get rid of as much of the lumps as you can. I have here 2 whole bone-in chicken legs. They are about 550 grams altogether. Cut 2 slits at the bottom of the legs to let the marinade penetrate even better. When marinating the chicken, make sure you cover every part of the chicken. Put some under the skin as well. Marinate the chicken for 2 hours or more. It is even better if you could let it marinate overnight. Put the chicken in an air fryer. Bake it at 165 degrees Celsius or 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Then, turn up the heat to 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit for another 10 minutes. The chicken is done when the juices from the chicken runs clear. If it's underdone, give it another few minutes in the air fryer. Let the chicken rest for about 20 minutes before serving. You can serve it as it is. However, if you are using chopsticks, it's better to chop it up into smaller pieces. It's easier to pick up smaller pieces of chicken that are more chopsticks friendly. Serve the chicken with some freshly cut tomatoes and cucumbers on the side. This is Chinese style roast chicken using fermented soya bean curd.